Hi there, Arizona. Has your car gotten dinged up? Do you have dents, scratches, or chipped glass in your car? Are you located in Maricopa County and looking for someone to repair your car as conveniently and affordably as possible? Well, Zerambo Automotive can help you if you call the number that's shown down below on your screen. We can have your car looking brand new in no time at all, and you probably won't even need to leave your car with us. Many of our garages offer mobile dent repair services, so depending on where you are in Maricopa County, there's a good chance that we'll be able to come to you and fix your car up right on the spot so that it looks as good as new within an hour. Now, this is super convenient because you won't have to be without your car at all. And if you have dents in your car, you won't need to worry about the paint job either. Just ask us about paintless dent repair when you call. It's a way of fixing your car's dents using your original paint. So this can prevent a lot of those weird discolorations that you sometimes see on cars that were taken to other places to have their dents fixed. It's one of our most popular services, so just mention paintless dent repair when you call. And again, I want to emphasize that most of our partner garages have mobile units, so there's a good chance that you won't even need to leave your home to have this done. All that we need is someplace that we can plug in our tools. So just ask us about mobile dent repair services when you call. So who are we? Well, Zerambo is a partnership of many dent repair garages and auto body shops throughout Maricopa County. So if you're in Phoenix or anywhere in the Phoenix area really, we probably have a garage somewhere near you. Many of our garages have been around for 20 plus years, so you're in good hands with skilled people who know what they're doing. So if you're tired of auto body shops that want you to leave your car with them for hours or even days sometimes, if you're tired of dent repair services that mess up the paint on your car by using some sort of crude replacement paint, and if you're tired of overpaying to remove those dings and scratches from your car, just give us a call at the number shown down below. Zerambo and its partners, we can provide you with skilled services for a low price and maximum convenience. So call us now.